I'm Keith Farrell. Technical Assistance has consulted with hundreds of prospective small business owners in the Philadelphia area for more than a decade. This new series was created to give advice to people who dream about small business ownership. If you've been following this new series, thank you for your attention. If you're new, I would encourage you to take a look at the previous entries when you get a chance. Before we get into the discussion of business structure or the way your business is organized, we need to make some general statements. First, technical assistance is not offering legal advice, but information and suggestions on various business elements. Second, technical assistance is not affiliated with and does not receive any benefit from any business or entity. Technical assistance is a federally registered nonprofit organization. Regardless of the way that you decide to structure your business, one of your first considerations should be insurance. For example, businesses selling manufactured goods may benefit from product liability insurance. Those who offer professional services should carry errors and omissions, or E&O, insurance. Any business which works on a customer's premises, either their home or their business, should be bonded, which is another form of insurance. All business owners should consult with a business insurance specialist to identify the appropriate coverage for their operations. For the sake of simplicity, this segment will discuss the three most common business forms: sole proprietorships, partnerships, and corporations. Sole proprietorships are the most common business type, according to the Internal Revenue Service. More than 24 million sole proprietorships filed returns in 2013 attached to their personal tax returns. This is also the easiest business to establish. In many municipalities, you can begin operating a business simply by adding your occupation after your name. For example, Jane Smith, consultant. Other business names can be registered with a local clerk for a small fee, giving you a doing business as presence. You can then open a bank account using your social security number. Check with your municipality for local requirements. One thing to note, however, this business ends when the owner dies. Next are partnerships, businesses operated by two or more individuals. Although a partnership can be created on a handshake, it is strongly recommended that a preliminary partnership agreement be created, then reviewed and amended by a lawyer as needed. One of the quirks of a partnership is that any time the partners change, either by adding or removing a partner, the partnership ends and a new business has to be formed. Partnerships were the rarest of the three business forms in 2013, with 3 million returns filed. The third business form is the corporation. For a small business, this would be either a subchapter S corporation or a limited liability corporation. Despite what you may have heard, incorporating does not automatically protect the personal assets of the business owner. In a closely held corporation, it is a simple matter to pierce the corporate veil. We would refer you to any reputable personal injury lawyer who can verify that claim. Incorporation is often the most expensive way to establish a business, but it does have specific advantages. First, if there are two or more owners, it is easy to share in the ownership. By the same token, it is not necessary for the business to end if owners leave or join. They simply surrender or gain stock in the corporation. Corporation tax filings in 2013 were 6.5 million between S corporations and LLCs. Stay tuned for more short videos with information on a variety of topics on small business ownership. And if you have particular questions or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for your attention. Wishing you the best in business.